Welcome everyone. Welcome to another academic year. It's always refreshing to see a bunch of fresh faces in front of us. And here we are to endorse the Google Developer Student Clubs for the session 2021-22 to all of you. I am the outreach head for this particular term, Akshat Srivastav, and I'm accompanied by my very able co-outreach head, Mr. Divyansh Palia. And together, we'll let you know a little about the magnum opus, that is the GDSC. Before we start, there are a certain ground rules which mostly have been taken care of, but just in case they are not, kindly make sure that you abide by them. Firstly, make sure that you are on mute. Secondly, for any of your inquiries, please feel free to use the chat box. But more importantly, do not spam. Kindly do not spam because if you do, we will not be able to reach all of you, and that is not something we want. If you type something offensive in there, we might just have to block you. Thirdly, if you have any problems with the quality of the presentation, with the quality of the video, with the quality of the audio, let us know. We will work on it as soon as possible. And lastly, and most importantly, if you have a bulk of questions, which I would personally wholeheartedly appreciate, kindly wait till the FAQ session. You'll have the opportunity to ask to them to all of the technical members present here right now with us. So kindly wait till.
Well, hello, hello, freshers, and welcome back to others for our GDSC orientation for session 2021. This year, we are optimistic that brighter days of codes and development are just ahead us. And in order to achieve that, we have certain changes in GDSC view, which steps us aside of all those club railroads, introducing us as a community who collabs with different colleges, groups, clubs, of course, Google Technologies, and etc. Well, being with us will bring you great knowledge based on different technologies with peer-to-peer workshops and events, and that's not all it. You will also meet students who are on your shoes with interest in developer technologies at your university level. Well, students with diverse backgrounds and different majors are welcomed as well. Further, moving on to the agenda, as DSC community, when we move forward, we feel it's important that DSC continues to train and focus primarily to students interested in Google developer technologies. Throughout our ride into 2021 and 2022, we will make sure to guide students by organizing sessions, events, and hackathons where our belief falls on bridging the gap between theory and practice strongly. Over to you, Akshay.
Very well said, Divyansh. And I believe that this is a good point to let you know that what will be your role as members of the junior core for GDSA. So, firstly, and rather obviously, you guys will be the ones responsible for setting up the entire developer student club on campus. You will be the face of the GDSC, you will be the front and center of every event that we conduct throughout the year. Not only that, you will have to organize and maybe even teach development to your fellow students. On a more philosophical level, it is your responsibility to enable as many students as possible to become trainers and support them in conducting sessions. On a note outside of the university, you guys will be responsible for identifying local organizations who we might benefit from and who might benefit from us. And lastly, and perhaps most interestingly, you will be the ones hosting showcases and you will be the ones highlighting sessions to other people. So, all the problems that we might have, we will try to find a solution to each and everything possible. With that being said, we have all of our core team members with us here, and I would personally like to invite all of them to introduce themselves to you. So first off, and just before I start, on the right hand side of the screen, you can see a little connect with me box. If you scan that QR code, you'll be able to access all of our socials, everything you might need to get in touch with us. To start with, we have a very worthy leader, Mr. Pranjal Gupta. Unfortunately, Pranjal currently is suffering from dengue and he could not join us for an entire presentation, but he will be the one spearheading JDSA from 2021 to 2022. To talk about his prowess as a leader and as a member of the team, he was the technical co-head for ACM Bennett only last year, and he has been a core team member of the Google Development Student Council for over a year now. Apart from that, he is also the founder of something known as Sunscript India. It's his own community, and you can reach out to him on the links given in the link tree box. A very wonderful man, a very great friend. We really look forward to having him with us as soon as possible.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm Kanav Arora, BTech CSE second year student, and I'll be the technical head for the session 2021 to 22. I like to read books, code, and listen music. If anyone wants to suggest me a book, feel free to text me. At last, I just want to add that in this club, every day your team benefits from your creativity, your intelligence, and your leadership. Your team is there for you even when you drive them crazy. So, looking forward to work with you guys. Over to you, Shivam.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Bhatt, a second year CSE undergrad. So I chose engineering because I was having a great life, but I want to struggle. So I'll be leading the management department of GDSC BU for this session. I enjoy listening to music and binge watching. Lucifer and Money Heist being my favorite. I'm always up for exploring new domains to work in, to learn and expand the horizon of my knowledge. I look forward to know more about all the new fresh ideas you got. Ping me for any queries about the management team.
Hi guys, this is Harshit, a BTech CSE third year undergrad student who's interested in cloud computing and UI UX. Apart from technical, a graphic designer and an artist who specializes in ink sketches and pencil sketches. You can find some of my works at the link given below. Thank you and looking forward to work with you guys.
Hello everyone, I am Roshali Patel from BTech CSE third year. My main subject of interest is artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am the design co-head of DSCBU, and when I'm not attending online classes or studying or doing projects or completing my labs or assignments or preparing for certification exams, I like to binge on TV series or watch a movie or practice my Garba steps because Navratri is round the corner. I'm proud to be a part of this team and I'm looking forward to working with some of you in the near future.
And well, although we have been talking for a while now, but if you just needed a little refresher, I'm Akshit Srivastav, the outreach head for GDSC for the current term. To talk about my academics, same story. I'm a third year BTech computer science student. My core interest is in the field of artificial intelligence, more specifically towards deep learning. To talk about me as a person and hobbies, I like to play guitar, I like to play the violin, I dance, I'm a footballer, and I read a lot, sometimes obsessively. And yes, I have hobbies, you can see that written on the screen. If anyone of you has any interest in indie or rock music, please text me. I'd love to have a conversation about it. And if you guys have any question about outreach, if you want to know more, if you want to know about the GDSC in general, feel free to approach me at any time you please. Over to you, go ahead.
So hello guys, Divyansh here working as co-head of GDSE. Currently being in second year computer science, I still believe that artificial intelligence will get me a job and I'm into it. My hobbies fall on studying about human anatomy and sciences and I love to write short stories of my own. In short, I am the one who is going to pinch you throughout your journey into joining each and every session of GDSE. Over to you, Shrishti.
So, hi everyone, I'm Shrishti Agarwal, the current social media head of GDSCBU. So, I am the reason because of which you would have and will continue to know about the club on every social platform possible. I'm a second year student here at BU in CSC with data science and hence a professional Googler. I mean coder. I love dance, basketball, badminton, and playing Casio. I like fashion, family, friends, actually everything except these online classes. Okay, that's getting so real. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Manasvi Pant, a second year CSE undergraduate, and I'm leading the position of the content head for GDSC BU for this session. I have a keen interest in literature and I'm always open to embrace new perspectives and ideas. I'm intrigued by anything and everything which challenges me and encourages me to step out of my comfort zone, and I'm really looking forward to all the fresh ideas you all have to offer.
Hello, my name is Ariman Jain. I'm a third year student in Bennett University pursuing computer science. I am a AI/ML expert here and I'm currently exploring and overthinking everything in my way. You can find me working on projects, doing some crazy problem, or just living a chill life watching anime and series. I just pick up a new hobby, skateboarding. If you have any interesting idea and need any help, you can ping me. And just a heads up, I'm mostly known as Striker.
Hey guys, I am Samarth Goel from second year BTech Computer Science student. I am Android expert in Google Development Student Clubs. I joined this club for more resources, opportunities, and wanted to explore more about Android hacks. I'm not bounded in selected fields. I love to explore and want to work in various fields. I have 3 years of Android development experience, so if you guys find any difficulty, you can contact me anytime. Thank you.
So, well, thank you so much, co-team heads. It was wonderful having you here. And to all the attendees, I hope you like our faces and our voice because you have to spend the entire academic year with us. Here on, I would also like to invite every co-team head to tell us a little about their team and how it functions.
Yeah. So let's talk a little about the working and roles of technical team. So technical team is responsible for finding ways to use technology in improving DSC's operation, like working on DSC BU website and managing technical part in events like managing repos in Hacktoberfest. We'll make new projects based on different technologies. Our DSC senior core consists of people with variety of skill sets. So that's it. And if you have any queries regarding the working of technical team, feel free to text me.
The role of management team basically is to collaborate with other teams of the executive committee, create and execute exciting, interesting events, while also ensuring the fiscal viability of all events. If you have any further queries regarding the team, ping me on Discord.
Okay, so let's talk about the social media team. So it oversees the club interaction with the public. Their duty involve analyzing engagement data, identifying the trends and followers interaction, obviously increasing the transparency and trust of the club to the follower. Basically, a person must understand past, present, and future events of GDSC by just seeing the social handle.
Design team is directly responsible for creating designs and creative assets for events, websites, and social media. That is whatever goes on our social media, whether post reels, posters, banners for events. Our team will be the one creating it. It's our responsibility to bring ideas to life and use them to make maximum impact.
Now let me brief you up with the role of the content team. The content team is responsible for curating consistent, engaging, and high quality content that strongly impacts the audience. Along with the message being impactful, the audience should also be able to get a crisp idea regarding the information mentioned.
Hello again. So, as you might have already guessed and deduced, I am a part of the outreach team. The point is that the outreach team is supposed to be the face of the GDSA. That is, all the communications, be it internal or external, go through the outreach team. Of course, in order to be a part of the outreach team, you will be expected to have decent oratory skills. You should have the ability to go up on the stage and take the mic, along with a good grasp on the technical stuff as well, because most things the outreach team talks about is technical.
Well, further throwing on light on our past events in GDSC, which involves Whooping Android Jams on November 2020 to January 2021, following with a hands-on session with one of the India's biggest collaboration with prizes worth 10 lakhs. Over to you, Akshat.
So that was a little about how our past has been, and this is a little about our present and future. So before I move any further, I'd like all of you to note that unlike any club in the university, we have a very structured timeline, and these are only the minimum number of events that we have to go through. All of your ideas will be entertained, and we can make an event of basically any good idea that we deem it to be. We have a structure and we work accordingly. To start with, as of now, many of you might be knowing that 350 students from Bennett University alone are a part of the Cloud Campaign 1. Just after the Cloud Campaign, we have an Android campaign coming up, followed by the Flutter campaign, which will wrap up the year 2021. In 2022, we'll start with the Solution Challenge with yet another Cloud campaign, a web campaign, and my personal favorite, the ML campaign. I would love to see all of you participate in all of these as much as possible, because not only are they going to enhance your knowledge by several magnitudes, these are also great additions for your CV.
Well, moving forward, well, what makes us different is a well-framed timeline, as I made displayed back. Let me inform you that 84% of the DSC community in India shared that they acquired a job or an internship due to their experience in DSC. Stuff like code labs, project development, and partnering with GBG, GDSC, and even DevFest not only to lure you into us, but to make you learn a lot from our journey.
Very well put, Divyansh. To add to what you already said, we believe in speaker sessions. We want to invite as many speakers as possible who are the apex of their particular fields to come up and share their knowledge with us. This way, you will know exactly what kind of events you have to focus on and what is the field that truly interests you. And to end on it, not to brag, but it's Google. There's a certain level of sophistication, a certain level of quality which comes with Google. A lot of the events you're seeing here come from Google itself. And every event you're a part of will have that little bit of Google in it. The amount of structure, the discipline, and the sheer number of events you'll see in this club is unlike any other club in the entire university. Speaking of opportunities, we completely understand that working in a core team full time might not be the best idea for all of you. You might still be exploring, you might be confused, or you simply are not interested. But if you still want a taste of GDSA and you want to know how we function, you can always apply as a volunteer. The point of a volunteer is we'll have you on for a couple of weeks. Okay, you'll be allowed to work with us, you'll be allowed to see how things are going, and you will be working on a dedicated project all by yourself. After the tenure is done and we are done with the project, you will be rewarded with the certificate, swags, and all of your credits will be shared in social media. None of your work goes unnoticed or uncredited. Do not worry about it. So, with that being said, given that we have told you quite a bit about GDSA, we have a number of fun quizzes coming up, and I would like to invite Roshali for it. And please note, you will be getting some prizes for winning these quizzes. Roshali, over to you.
Thank you, Akshat. I hope you all enjoyed the orientation. Now, for a fun end to this orientation, we have prepared a technical and non-technical quiz, and the winners will be given some rewards. To participate in the technical quiz, please click on the link in the chat box and make sure you enter your name as your full name followed by your enrollment number. Note, any entry by any other name will not be rewarded even if they win. Akshat, can I share my screen?
Of course.
Everyone, please join the link given in the chat box. Everyone, please join the link.
Do let us know if you are facing any kind of difficulty in joining the link or entering the code affected to the quiz.
No, you can put your enrollment number next to your name. Okay, I think we have enough participants. We can start now.
You guys are not going easy on it. Good going. Please remember that the top three winners will be awarded. We are loving your energy. Keep on. Aditya looks like the one to beat. And just in case you guys don't know, we also will be having a non-technical quiz right after this. So do not worry if your luck does not show up this once. Alright, we're almost done. Any surprises as such? Saeed is winning.
Okay, I guess everyone is done playing, so we can end the quiz now. Okay, so this was our non-technical quiz, and the winners and the rewards will be told to everyone after both the technical and non-technical quiz. So the link for non-technical quiz will be shared to your chat now. You can join the non-technical quiz. We'll wait for 1 or 2 more minutes, and then we can start with the quiz.
Kindly note that to play this quiz, you do not need any sort of technical proficiency. It's just a fun little quiz with a lot of non-technical questions. So kindly participate.
Okay, I guess everyone is here, so we can just start with the presentation, with the quiz now. Good luck, guys.
Just a quick side note, anyone and everyone who gets all the Marvel answers right will get a treat from me in the university. So just keep that in mind. Seems like Arpin knows his movies. Great. Everyone, okay. So for the people who were not able to join the link, you can check Teams. I'm pretty sure the link is there, or we can send it again, no problem.
So I think everyone is done with the quiz. We can end the quiz. Congratulations to the winners and kudos to everyone who participated in the quiz. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll announce the winners. So I have the names of the winners of the technical and non-technical quiz. Now starting with the technical quiz, Sayed 0028 is the winner of the technical quiz. Congratulations, Sayed. And Ansh Babbar and Golu are the first and second runner-up respectively. I think Golu is a fake name. So we'll have to consider Aditya Singh, who is the second runner-up. And for the non-technical quiz, Ansh Babbar again is the winner. Congratulations. And Aditya Singh is the first runner-up, and Arpan Sethi is the second runner-up. Congratulations to the winners. You guys can DM me and collect your reward. My number is in the chat box.
Thank you so much, Roshali. Thanks for that wonderful quiz.
Hence, what a great day of announcements. We believe to max out the best ever learning experience while you are with us. At GDSC, we continue to be committed in making an impact on everyone connected with us. And we can't wait to get our sessions and events reach out to you as soon as possible and see what amazing things you learn with them. For everything and more, you can just reach out to us on the following link. You will find this link in your chat box as well. Thank you for being with us today. We look forward to see you again soon.
Thank you so much, Devyansh. Thank you so much for those wonderful ending notes. To add on it, if you want to be a part of the JDAC, the recruitment forms will be sent in the chat box in just a moment. You can click on them, you can fill them out, and we'll look over to them. Thank you for being such an amazing audience. And at this point on, we'll be opening the floor for discussions and for questions. So the procedure is simple. If you have a question, you can raise your hand. We'll make you the presenter for a while. You can speak your question out. You can turn on a video. Is absolutely up to you. After that, we'll answer it. The entire panel is present, so all of your questions will be answered, rest assured. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. So any questions, kindly let us know. Anyone, just raise your hand and we'll look into it. I am not seeing any hands, so can I assume that no one has a question? Okay, so we have a question from Karun Sharma. Karun is asking what are minimum hours required to be devoted to GDAC. Okay, so Karun, actually, if you go through our form, there's an entire section dedicated to this one particular question, and the answer to this is variable. There are times when 30 minutes a day is more than enough. There are times when you might as well need to sit with this for 2 hours. But if you can make a commitment of around 3 to 4 hours per week for GDAC, you should be good to go. Is your club officially affiliated with Google? Aryan Yadav's question. And the answer is very much so, yes. We have Google written in our name itself. We cannot add that name unless and until we are officially affiliated with Google. So the thing is that GDAC is basically a structure run by students, but the students are directly overseen by Google. So there's a main GDAC and then there are sub GDACs. So we are one of those many Google Developer Student Councils. So you do not have to worry about the legitimacy of the entire thing. It is officially affiliated with Google, rest assured. Karun Sharma says, thanks anytime, it's our pleasure. Anyone else, anything? You're very welcome, Aryan. By what time can we fill out the form? Kanav, is there any deadline as such?
No, not for now. But we'll post a story and we'll notify you.
So as of now, given that we are only in the orientation week, a deadline hasn't been set. But as the traffic grows and as we reach our target, our target number, the forms will close in not that long amount of time. So if you want to be a part of GDAC, kindly do fill the form as soon as possible. Anything else? If you got that, great. So, we are also seniors apart from being members of the GDAC. So if you have any question pertaining to the university, pertaining to the general working of clubs, feel free to ask them as well. How to manage time with classes? So, Aris, if I may ask, are you a student of BTech? Like, which field do you belong to? That way you can get a better answer. CSE, oh, so you're one of us. So see, I do agree that in your first couple of semesters, you'll have a little bit of a hard time juggling with the subjects. Manage it for a little while, especially in the first semester. Pro tip, make sure that you are very thorough with physics because the first semester physics is tough. Apart from that, after you are done with the first semester, you'll pretty much settle in. Okay. Make sure that you choose the right clubs though. Like clubs can be a really good time off academics while still adding knowledge to your entire thing. So just take care of that. If you have any particular questions, reach out to any one of us. We are super cool people. Okay. How is startup